Hey, today let's see how to add Google Analytics to your Next.js website. Once you add your Google Analytics, you should be able to see all the records like of your visitors um, on Google Analytics itself. Okay, let's begin. First, let's create a Google Analytics.jsx file with this content. I'll put this content in the description box, so you can just copy and paste it. um, and don't forget to add your Google Manager tag in your environmental file. um, Create this file and paste this content. You don't have to modify anything, since we paste this content in the environmental file. And next step, we need to get this Google Tag Manager ID. For that, go to this admin at the bottom on data streams and click here, and this is your measurement ID. You can just copy here. And once you copy the measurement ID, you can just go to your environment and paste it in there. Obviously, you need to create a, if you don't have a analytics account, you need to create one. It's completely free, you don't have to pay anything. um, so next, once you are done with this, the next step is to go to your layout.jsx file, not this one. You have to go to your layout.js. This is the file. So this should be in your root folder. So you just go here and import your Google Analytics file here. See, I imported the Google Analytics. Oh, then just refresh and you can go back to your Google Analytics file and see if you can see the live visitors there, if it's working fine. So currently, if you click view, you should be able to see if it works properly. You should be able to see when we um, get onto the website. So I just got on the website on the other screen. Let's see if it works. It's not showing anything. It may take a bit, so wait for a couple of minutes before. Oh, okay, it says something here. See, I can see something there. It should come also here. Let's see. Maybe let me go back and yeah, see, we can see one active user. Since I'm visiting my website, I can see that. Let's see here, real time. Yeah, see, I can see there's an active user here. So this is working fine. This is how you can add your Google Analytics to your um, website to see the visitors in, especially in Next.js. All right, let's meet you in the next video. Bye bye.